Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Bitcoin back at $90,000. Let's take a look here. We see the pullback again, retracing back from really an overall bearish correction is what we can call it. And we continue to see price pretty much stay within this level, something between about 95,000 and I would say anywhere 95 to 85,000, give or take, with some spikes even as low as $78,000, just missing that $75,000 target we had. But a ton of sentiment is changing in the crypto space because people are realizing that this isn't going anywhere. People are realizing the opportunity in front of them. People are realizing that crypto is here to stay. And it's really off to the races of who is going to be the leader of this technology. Now, I think a lot of people don't see what's going on. They don't see what's going on. Like, do you really think that states in the United States and countries are buying just when it's announced? I truly believe that people are buying now, and then it's going to go public months later after sentiment changes and prices go up, and then it's gonna everyone wants to look good. Everyone wants to look like that person that's bought low and able to potentially sell high, and that's what we're going to see. We take a look at Marketcap and we see pretty much a shift in sentiment a little bit. Crypto fear greed up to 25, and really a ton of shifts. You see Cardano is up to 98 cents, almost $1 again, and the entire industry is beginning to correct. Look at this chart on Cardano. We see the same thing. We see the correction coming, and after that pullback, that big pump up when Trump's made that announcement about Cardano being in the strategic reserve, spike up, a bit of a correction, now easing back up towards that same level. Guys, you know what to buy. Like, I don't get it's perfectly clear what the winners are going to be. Yes, we were right about XRP. Yes, we were right about Cardano. Yes, we were right about Ethereum. Yes, we were right about Bitcoin. The trigger and the kicker is now, what are these other plays going to be? But either way, the goal is just to get some exposure. And that's what I tell everyone, right? And people recognize me now a little bit out where I live, and I tell them, look, you don't have to go all in like we are. You don't have to go all in. We just recommend, not financial advice, but we just recommend that you get some exposure, get something, right? Like, what's the worst that could happen? The worst thing that can happen is your life stays the same. That's the worst thing that could happen. It's all upside, right? You're investing in new tech before the masses. Less than 6% of people are investing in crypto right now, globally. You're investing in crypto before the masses, and you invest a little bit, whatever you can afford to lose, whatever that is. Even dollar cost averaging, $20 a day. Instead of buying Starbucks, buy crypto. And it's all upside. You're like, your life stays the same. You're buying the Starbucks anyway, right? Your life stays the same. And that's what I'm trying to get through to people is, can you really afford to mess this up? Can you afford that if all goes well with crypto, can you afford to miss that opportunity? Right? And I just don't think people understand what's coming. Like, you have AI that's here, about to annihilate jobs that 20 people can do, now 5 people can do. Right? Forklift operator, people that are driving forklifts. They got self-driving forklifts now. They don't even need you. The bot doesn't get tired. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't need a day off. Doesn't get sick. Doesn't call off. Might be down for maintenance, but you have other bots that can take its place, right? And you need one person managing the bots, right? You're going to have to figure something out. Crypto's that way out. Just saying. Crypto's that way out, in my opinion. And just have a plan. Whatever that is, have a plan. So taking a look here at this article, before I go off on another tangent, taking a look at this article here. Bitcoin and crypto markets remain slow until this happens, according to CryptoQuant CEO Key Youngju tells his followers on Twitter that the crypto and Bitcoin markets will likely remain slow until sentiment in the U.S. improves. He's probably right. Here he's saying there's no significant on-chain activity and key indicators are neutral, suggesting the bull cycle is still intact. Fundamentals remain strong with more mining rigs coming online. If the cycle ends here, it's an outcome no one wanted, not old whales, mining companies, or traditional finance sector, or even Trump. So he's seeing here Bitcoin Coinbase Premium Index. You can see this is what he's measuring at. And seeing here, you can see turning to Ethereum. He talks about here that the second largest crypto asset by market cap is not in a distribution phase, a stage in the market cycle that happens after a prolonged bull run. So pretty much he's giving all these indicators that the bull run is still here, right? It's not what we've seen before. It's not a straight shot up that everyone wants, but the bull run's still intact, and it's really going to take that bleeding that we talk about. And, we talked about it before when we looked at Cardano, right? And we looked at, that pullback that was happening. And then we showed you guys this chart here with the bear trap. This is the bear trap. Okay. Because by the time people have renewed optimism, it's too late. It's too late. The gains are the gains are going to be there, but the entry point is not, it's not what you would want it to be. But the gains are still going to be there. So we see that, and it's aligning with what we're seeing right now. Renewed optimism, FOMO. Oh shoot, let me get back in. I have money on sidelines. Euphoria. Oh shoot. A little bit of gains, maybe 5-10%, and then it shoots down. Right. Those people that got in late end up taking a loss because they were holding, and a lot of those people just end up talking bad about the crypto markets, right? That's typically what happens. So here he's pretty much giving all these indicators. The crypto quant CEO, King Jongju, is giving these indicators on why we are still in a bull market, right? Despite it being a little bit prolonged, we're still in a bull market. The opportunity is here, right here. And you can see that with the price action. Like, look at where Ethereum is right now. Ethereum's at $2,200. You guys know our price target for Ethereum is 10 to 15K. Like, we're still early, well early. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really for me is a if factor, right? I can see Bitcoin going to 180, but I can also see Bitcoin going to 250, no problem, right? And pretty much if Bitcoin hits 250, I could see XRP going crazy. I could see Cardano at that $10 mark that everyone's talking about. And to be honest with you, we'll probably get out of Cardano before the $10 mark, just because we know that'll be like that's a spot for them, a spot, probably a sell or exit spot for a lot of people. We'll see how we act around the $10 mark, because it could go either way. Like with Cardano being on the strategic reserve for the U.S. confirmed, like $13 is doesn't seem that far-fetched anymore, right? A lot of people that don't like Cardano is like, oh, Cardano, when back in the day they say, oh, Cardano will never reach $3. They talk about the market cap. Oh, the market cap has to be this and like, listen, all that doesn't matter, guys. It don't matter. Like you look at the market cap and you put limits on price action. None of that matters in a bull run. All that market cap stuff, like, no one's worried about that. The price is the price, right? The price is the price for sure. We've seen it. Go look back. You can look back here when Cardano hit $3, right? Cardano hit $3 here on this date, right? And September 6th of 2021, Cardano hit $3. Okay. And we go to Bitcoin, right? We go to where Bitcoin was September 26th of 2021. All right. Let's get off the weekly, go to exact day, September 26th of 2021. So going here, Bitcoin was at 60. It's at about 64. Bitcoin's at 64,000. Not even at the peak, right? It's not even at its peak yet. It's at 64,000. Cardano hit $3, right? And you guys worried about market cap, guys. Bitcoin didn't even hit its all-time high for the altcoins hit its all-time high at that time in that cycle. So everyone's telling me about market cap, guys. I'm like, listen, this market cap stuff, I don't even want to hear it. It doesn't make a difference. It doesn't make a difference when you're in a bull run. All that stuff about market cap, you know, I don't even, because if you look at the market cap, the total market cap, let's go look at the total market cap here. September 21st. I can get to the 29th. I can get to the 22nd. I got to the 29th. Let's just do the 29th. The 29th, the market cap was only 2.1 trillion. Only 2.1, right? Market cap's 2.1 trillion in that bull run. Okay. And this is at the top of the bull run. We're at 2.96 and Cardano is still at 98 cents, guys. That market cap stuff is, we never talk about market cap here because I've seen it. I've seen total market cap and I've seen altcoins hit all-time highs and wreck all the speculation about this market cap stuff. I've seen it firsthand. I've cashed out firsthand, and honestly, I probably would have missed exiting if I was worried about this market cap stuff. I probably would have missed exiting, right? I probably would have not took profit because it's not at this market cap, it's at this price, so that means we can go further because no, guys, it started falling right after that. Cardano started dropping right after reaching that point. It was free falling ever since. Okay. So I don't want to hear anything about this market cap stuff because I feel like it prevents people from focusing on your profit goals and your targets from a price standpoint. Worry about the price. Like no one's worried about this market cap stuff. If you take your profit, like profit's profit, take your profit and have a clear-cut target that's outside of these market caps. Because in the bull run, in the true bull run, all that market cap stuff goes out the window. You're gonna see prices that don't even make sense, right? So that's my little spiel on market caps because I know it's not the end all be all. I've seen it, guys. So definitely some good articles to keep people at bay and realize where we're at in the crypto space, like where we're at in the crypto cycle, because a lot of people are thinking it's over, right? And I get the sentiment. I get how that can be construed just because this isn't the same cycle we're used to, but nothing's the same as what we're used to, right? We have a pro crypto environment right now where people are embracing this technology, which never happened before, right? And I think it's going to take people not taking it seriously and thinking, oh, this is it. It's not, because they didn't make money immediately. You had to hold for a little bit or endure some drawdown, endure some negative days, but then they want to endure the positive upsides, right? So this is what we're seeing right now, and I think that the best is yet to come. So definitely take a look at these charts, take a look at the markets, guys, and continue to capitalize on this opportunity while prices are still where they are. They're not going to be this way forever. Prices are going to go crazy, and I hope you're seeing this. So guys, hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.